Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I don't know what y'all talking about. Where I live, they don't talk a lot. I don't know what I be talking about. Hoes say I don't talk a lot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Excuse Ninja Nikki. If you follow me on Facebook, then you saw that I had surgery this morning on my tooth. Don't know what happened, but yeah, here we are. And he told me not to open my mouth as much. Now I could have put this off, and I could have just filmed at another time, but you know, I like a challenge. I like a challenge. So here you get Ninja Nikki filming a look for Face Charge Friday. The dedication that I put into this channel. It's because I like doing it. Nobody's forcing me to do it. Like, all my friends are like, we can wait tomorrow. No, I'm not dying. I just should keep my mouth closed. And, you know, I can't do that anyway because I still gotta teach today, so, you know, anyway, here we are. And I was talking, this face chart it was chosen by one of my students, Paul. One of his favorite colors is green, but this is like a strange green. So it's basically an almost all green look from PP Face Charts, which I haven't done one of her looks in a long time. So this is going to be interesting. Anyway, I did everything else off camera, way beforehand because I had to go to the dentist and I couldn't go to the dentist look like how I look when I woke up. So it's literally going to be the eye part. The two palettes I'm going to be using. The Morphe 15T Your True Selfie palette, which is one I've used on this channel a lot. As well as the Eddie Funkhouser. It's the green one. Is it Hot Bow M? I think it's that one. The Hot Bow M, his little quad. Anyway, I'll show it on camera. Enough talking. Let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to be using the Eddie Funkhouser quad first. And the first thing I'm going to go into is this one, which I think it has to be dilettante. Because it, like you open it this way, but the sticker's the other way. So I feel like this is dilettante because it's on the bottom row. And this is Gypsy. I'm going to use both of these, but I'm going to go into dilettante first on a mermaid fluffy brush. Mermaid fluffy brush that I got from AliExpress. I need to order more. Now I'm going to still using the same quad. I had to change brushes or else I would have stayed on camera. But I'm now going to go into the darker green shade, which I'm guessing is Gypsy. Or is it dilettante? Either way, I'm using these two. This might be dilettante, this might be Gypsy, this might be Gypsy. This might be dilettante, this might be Gypsy because the sticker is left to right. So you open it left to right, dilettante, Gypsy. Something in that order, in that way. The darker green is going on now. This look is very easy. And now I'm going to get the same effect as the picture. I can't find my concealer right now because I had other things to worry about this morning when I was getting ready to go to the dentist. So I'm going to combine, don't blind anyone. I appreciate this huge mirror, but I don't want to kill anybody. The two green shades in here, which is Artist and After. I'm going to use those two on the lid. Just real quick, real fast. It's real simple. I look like a ninja. This is crazy, but I like it. Ninja Nicks. I'm here for it. I'm putting down After first, and then I'm going to put Artist on top of it. So I'm basically just doing a cut crease without cutting my crease because I can't find my concealer. So, you know, congratulations. I'm still a little loopy from this morning. I literally just woke up because I passed out because of the medicine and whatever drug they had me on while I was there. So, yeah, I'm late for work. But, you know, it'd be like that sometimes. Part of me doesn't want to go because my face hurts. And I can't open my mouth anyway, but I finished early, so. And now I'm taking Artist and putting it on top, but only in the front. I look like a damn army brat. No offense to army brats. I could have been an army brat if I was born earlier. My dad was in the war. I'm gonna use some of Artist to highlight my brow bone now too while I'm here, because you know we running late, so don't really got time. Like in the picture there's no brow bone highlight, but you know we gonna put some there. And I figure since it's green, and I'm so glad the lip is a nude lip, because then I can just use my natural color with some Vaseline, because I have to wear this damn mask anyway. So and I'm gonna go off camera, blend all this out, and come back with foundation on my face, because there's only foundation here. Actually, that's it. I'm gonna take this off anyway. I've uncovered my face, but you know, I'm not gonna open my mouth as much. I'm just gonna get back into these two green shades from the Eddie Funkhouser palette, Dilettante and Gypsy, and put them across my lower lash line. Now we're on the last step, so I'm going to take this Korean lip liner intercolor in the shade Black Wine, and this mini ColourPop lippy stick in the shade Cookie, which I absolutely love this shade, and put them together to get like a similar effect but not the same, because as you can see the lip in the face chart is a little too, it would be too light for me, so I'm going to make my own but have it look similar to that. So, why did I do that? And this is the finished look. Of course, I added trophy wife to my Cupid's bow, because that's what I do always. Now I'm gonna hurry up and take pictures and cover my face back up. Well, at least this part. And I know that's sad, but it happens. Anyway, that's it for this week's face chart. Sorry about me being a ninja in the beginning. My face still hurts so bad. I don't know how. Because he said I still have to eat lunch because of the medicine. I have to eat food with it. I don't know how I'm gonna eat anything because this hurt. But wish me luck, because I gotta go back on Monday, because it's not done in Korea. They don't do the root canal one day. You gotta go 3 times. Oh child, I'm not ready for this. But anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Again, if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you can DM me a face chart you want me to try, because you know, if you guys don't choose it, then I'll let my students pick one. So that's it. That's all. I will see you all maybe tomorrow, maybe not, because depending on how these drugs got me feeling, I might not be able to film anything. I felt like 50 Cent when he couldn't talk because he had the bullet in his... Okay, bye.